Our blenders are designed to help you achieve the perfect texture and taste. Each blender uses a 3-part KitchenAid blending system, so you can take your culinary creativity beyond smoothies and mixed drinks to nut butters, salsas, and so much more. All KitchenAid blenders have this 3-part blending system with asymmetric blade and soft start technology. The blades trace 4 separate paths instead of retreading for an optimal blend. Soft start technology starts the motor at a slow speed to pull food into the blade, then quickly increases to the user's selected speed setting. The K150 3-speed ice crushing blender is the perfect ice crushing blender. It can crush half a tray of ice in less than 10 seconds. The K400 variable speed blender boasts the ability to switch up your texture. From smooth to chunky, the variable speed dial offers a full assortment of precise speeds. Or you can choose one of the 3 preset recipe programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie. The K400 variable speed blender comes in a variety of striking colors, including our 2021 color of the year, honey. And certain K400 models come with a tamper, which helps push ingredients into the blending vortex for a smooth finish. Made with commercial-grade components, the K600 High Performance Series blender can personalize the texture of any blend with its 9 speeds and pulse. Like each of the blenders in the KitchenAid Countertop line, its IntelliSpeed motor senses ingredients in the blender's jar and adjusts to deliver max RPM for the chosen setting. Unique to the High Performance Series blender is a range of variable speeds and powerful 3.0 peak HP motor. To achieve perfect tasting results, the KitchenAid Pro Line Series blender offers professional-style blending, creating ultra-smooth texture to help deliver the perfect taste every time. The ProLine Series blender's thermal control jar is engineered so that when a mixture hits the corners and ribs of the jar, it folds in, ensuring that all ingredients are fully mixed. A unique feature that sets the thermal control jar apart is its ability to keep liquids warm. Plus, the ProLine Series blender features a soup setting that actually heats ingredients while it blends. Whether you're looking to discover exciting new possibilities with the K150 3-speed ice crushing blender, the K400 variable speed blender, or seeking to explore every taste and texture with a high-performance or ProLine Series blender, there's a KitchenAid Countertop blender designed with your passion in mind. Explore countertop blenders and more today at KitchenAid.com.